Did you know that you need to have a system with everything that you do within a business? And I am currently documenting what it is that I'm doing as I'm even building out my affiliate portion of my business. And I'm currently making an email series. And I thought, how useful this could be if maybe you yourself are wanting to put together an affiliate program for yourself, or maybe you are a high level affiliate already and you just don't know where to start. So I've been digging in to make a personalized email series because the one thing that I found over the years is that I've been providing high end, high ticket services for 20 years. People need to feel as though they're being taken care of. And that also is extremely important with automated email series. We're not even starting to talk about AI yet. And I automated my business 25 years ago. So what I started doing was making a Google Doc. So this is one step that you can do is make a Google Doc. You can put together what your vision statement is. I happen to delve real deep into SEO over the last 20 years. And then I'm like, all right, how about building a brand? How would I help somebody do that? And if you're a visionary that's very strategic and you are, if you can relate to possibly like Tony Stark, that visionary that's just got a lot going on, but then maybe what you are is very, very strategic. Like you actually use both sides of your brain. I'm going to just share with you that documenting this way with using a Google Doc is priceless because for one thing, if you move this fast, like lightning fast, like so fast that like you sometimes might even like be in such a flow state with building that you go back to last Tuesday and you're like, wow, I don't even remember building that. It's a really a good idea to create a daily log so that you can be able to either turn this into an asset in itself or be able to then systemize the whole system. So that's what I'm currently working on the inside of my system because when it comes to being around for a very long time, 4 decades, oh, God, I get so excited about helping other people about the how to because I'm all about this. Unleash your imagination, connect that to others, be in a community, connect it to systems, and you will be around for a very long time. Because when you realize that your imagination is the strongest tool and asset that you have, that is where I feel over the decades the magic happens. There's only one of you, and you're a rock star, and surround yourself around other people that'll amplify that because creativity is contagious. Being around successful people is contagious. And if you're not as successful as you want to be today, then surround yourself around those that you feel will help mentor you and truly help you because ah I've had nothing but mentors in my whole life and in my whole career. And when you can share ideas with like-minded people and then you apply that with technology and put that out on the internet and get comfortable being yourself, anything can happen. Anything. All right, so that's my business tip for today. And the other thing too is just get comfortable on camera. And if you want to know more about the systems that I use, the information's down below. And, you can click on my link. I invite you to do that because you'll be in my community. I'll share with you the resources that I have, the people that I know. You'll be fully supported, truly fully supported, 24/7, 365 days a year with the software company that I do my business with. And then you'll be in my ecosystem, in my community. So we'll have a great time. So until my next video, be sure to just hit subscribe. The information is down below for any of the bonuses for you to be in my community. And if you haven't had a chance to check out my last video, then just be sure to check out the last video and then come back because there'll be another video coming to you very soon.